Yuan Bang Ai gani ke shithi our chief minister ke shithi hakibidi but jing petrikam ye ke MLA scheme kaba kalami ke jikan tho na kalian ke jong chief minister ba ke jing petrikam ye ke MLA scheme kham tam hakidi ki constituency wala mikmat hakidi ko syamo dakpa tho se ke jing tho ko khambon je ka voice of the people party kamilom ka ba bet se ka patikana je kani ki shithi ka long kumne mo an puri khindia to Sri Conrad Sangma honorable chief minister government of Meghalaya Shillong from Arden Miller Basaima MLA president voice of the people party Lakor Kaptan East Council district subject implementation of MLA schemes. Dear Mr. Conrad, on behalf of the voice of the people party, I take this opportunity to write to you this letter in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes. Our attention has been drawn by your recent statement in connection with the implementation of MLA schemes, where you had expressed your concern about the manner in which MLA schemes are implemented, especially in constituencies representing by members belonging to the opposition. I would like to appreciate your concern and apprehensions when you decide to question whether MLA schemes have been properly utilized or not. I fully endorse your sentiment that MLA schemes should be properly utilized and implemented in a transparent manner. I would also like to bring to your notice that as a party which believes in transparency and accountability, it had already written a letter to all its MLAs to ensure that implementation of MLA schemes should be implemented in a transparent manner. Therefore, in this connection, I would like to take a cue from your statement and express my sincere desire for an independent inquiry into the implementation of MLA schemes in the state to be immediately constituted by the government. I would further suggest that you initiate this investigation from the year 2008 onwards, starting from 22 Nongkrem constituency and subsequently to be followed by other constituencies. I hope you will seriously consider this matter so that the people of the state will be more informed about the entire issue. This is Kanigadika, Shithi Kabani Yuan Bang Ai, Chief Minister. Adien Bangi Oso Yaga Jinkren Gajimu, Kamdon Karukom Petrekam Kabajanai Kabang, Hagbade Game. Scheme. The Nagalenga Jun, but Nagalenga Jun President, you want to Jito, but no one was Chimsa Budi one Tau Daka Jing Toket, independent inquiry, but Pansang but Toket Yaki Jimpen, Trekamik MLA scheme, Nadu Usnam Arjabra, but a Kabakistan Nongkrem constituency, but Spenboard Party constituency.